We've all had chicken and rice. It's probably one of the classic dishes. Let's turn it up a notch by doing it at home. And here's the key. We're going to do it all in the oven, and we're going to use brown rice, which is Mediterranean. Now, some of you say, wait, rice isn't Mediterranean, but rice has been in Italy at least since the time of Alexander the Great, over 380 years BC. And if you think tomatoes are Italian, think they were brought to the country of Italy about the year 1600. So there's a 1900-year difference there. Anyway, we're going to do it all in the oven. Brown rice in the oven, chicken in the oven. You could do it as one pot, but we're not going to, and I'm going to tell you why. But let's start by making the rice. Now the secret is I'm going to use about 1.5 cups of hot boiling water and put this in there. Have you ever cooked spatchcock chicken? What that means is we take the back out of the chicken. I'm going to show you how to do that now. We flatten out the chicken so that there's not a lot of air or dead space in there. And that cooks the chicken far more evenly than you can by just having a whole chicken in there. This is what we call the Pope's nose. We start at the Pope's nose and we begin cutting with either some poultry shears or kitchen shears all the way down the back of the chicken. Okay, let's get ready to put chicken and rice is the classic, and even though people think, oh my gosh, it's rice, it's horrible for you, this is brown rice. And the reason I like cooking it in the oven is very simply, it makes it easy to do. So almost have one pot cooking, one with a great chicken with some wonderful skin, the other with that great nutty flavor from brown rice, which is a whole grain, both of which you'll find on the Mediterranean diet. Subscribe to my newsletter, we'll have it on there, and we'll have it on our website.